Alright, so here we have my OM617 turbo again. I've already changed the front crank seal, but not sure if it's going properly because I'm still leaking, as you can see there. So yeah, it's not fun times. So let's take another look. The valve cover is not leaking. Tiny bit on the oil filter cap, a little on there, probably needs to tighten up, and a new rubber seal on that one, so we can sort that out another time. Down there's the oil drain tube for the turbo, and it's nice and dry. Okay, let's have a look at the other side. Okay, so here are each of the injectors. They look to be pretty good. And the last one. So yeah, no fuel or oil coming out this way. The injection pump. No giant oil leak. Needs a good clean, but you know, it's all viewed in, so you see the flaws. I've got the oil catch can here, which is obviously a little oily, as they generally tend to be. And it's oily down there. Now, when I cleaned the front of the engine and stuff, I didn't clean down there. So yeah, I may have to clean that and see if maybe this is a leak source for going down there, but I doubt this is the one that's creating the drops underneath. So there's the back area of the oil pan. So that looks to be old dried oil, which I'll clean up soon. And this is power steering. So they would be leaking red rather than motor oil. So yeah, now let's have a look underneath. Okay, so yeah, it's very wet on the pan. Now we are under the left side of the engine. Take a bit of a look. So yeah, it's pretty clean on the block. Nothing that screams oil leak to me. There's a little bit on the undersides. But yeah, that could just be residue from old that I need to, you know, scrape off. Some in the creases that I've missed. And yeah, there's the underside there. Nice and wet here. I'll need to clean that up soon. And it's wet on the air conditioning compressor with black oil. Let's go. There's the back of the oil pan and the cross member, so it's covered in oil as well, but that's most old stuff. Let's have a look on the other side. Alright, so now we're underneath the right side of the engine. We'll start at the back of the oil pan. So yeah, it's new oil and it's wet. There's a thin layer over some old stuff as well that I need to clean up. But that's new. And you can kind of see the seal just there. Ah, so it seems to be a little wet on the back of the seal. That could be it. But there are drops there. Let's see if I can get this a little stable. So yeah, on the left side, where the grey meets the metal on the left, could be squeezing out there, but there's also drops on the orange section, so that could just be spray from the fan blowing. So yeah, not too sure. I'll have to take things off and take a look. Top of the pan there. Yeah, that's quite fresh, that is. So, I don't know, I'm gonna have to wipe everything down completely, take everything off and inspect again, see what I can find. So take everything off, see what's there, wipe everything down, like absolutely everything, pan, cross member, the other sides, everything absolutely spotless. And a friend suggested I use some talcum powder over various things and go for a drive. When the oil starts to leak, it'll stick to the talcum powder. So yeah, gonna give that a go.